Video, we are going to talk about performing structural equation modeling using IBM Amos. So if you are using version 25 and below, or maybe you are about using Amos for your analysis, there are certain plugins that you need to install, and that will help you with the analysis. If not, you have to do them manual in Excel. So in order to get these plugins, just click here and type Gaskin Nation. So the moment you click this, you see Start Wiki Gaskination. So just click on this. With my version of Amos is 24. So I have it here. So I need to download the plugin so that I can add it to the software. So okay, it's loading. So when you scroll down, you are going to see plugin guide. Click on plugin guide. So scroll down, you see installing plugin for 23 version. So we have them here. So this is a guide as to how we do it, but I'll show you how we can do it. So you go to plugins folder. It gives you quite a number of estimands and plugins. So you choose the one that best suits your software. But if you happen to be using the latest version and you have these plugins, you don't need to do that. So whilst we wait for the plugins, you can okay. But why is it loading? Like this. Let's try reloading it again. So you have it loading. So you look at the version you need. So I'm using version 24. So I'll click on this, download. Whilst I wait for the download to complete. We have the file downloaded here. So we locate the folder by going to downloads. So downloads is here. So you can right click on it and extract to this folder. So these are the plugins. So I need to move all these into the plugins folder in Amos. So to do that, using Windows PC, just click on Start and press Ctrl+R. Type app data with no spacing and press enter. You see three folders: local, local low, and roaming. So you click on local, look for Amos development, Amos 24 plugins. Then you highlight all this. I've already done one, so you see them here. So I will need to replace. So you just drop it here and you replace. But if it's your first time, it's just going to be added. So once I'm done here, I can close it and open Amos software. So in order to check to see whether you have all the plugins in there, just look at the plugin here, just click on it and you can see them here. So this common latent factor connector helps you to draw a connection between your latent factor and also other variables or indicators. Draw covariances. So these particular plugins have issues depending on the type of research you are doing.